phones, Apple Watches, Macs, and iPads. The company partnered with Klarna, who will control the loan application.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Imperial, Kern, Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, San Diego, San Luis Obispo, Ventura, California, at 3:26 p.m. on July 29, 2026, effective until 5:26 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Ridgecrest Police Department. On July 29, 2026 at 1130 hours, Maximus Roman, Kaiser Roman and Haley Roman were abducted from Ridgecrest, California. Maximus is a 10-year-old Hispanic male, 4 feet 7 inches tall, weighing 50 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Kaiser is an 8-year-old Hispanic male, 4 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 45 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Haley is a 4-year-old Hispanic female, 3 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 30 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Julio Roman Garcia, is a 29-year-old Hispanic male, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 400 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2014 gray Honda Accord with California license plate number 9RON898. If seen, call 911.
Now, from the Desert's news leader, this is News Channel 3 Breaking News.
We are tracking breaking news for you today at noon in Desert Hot Springs. Firefighters still